Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to stream from your PC setup. In this video, we will be showing you how to set up your computer and equipment for live streaming, as well as software options available for streaming to platforms such as Twitch and YouTube, and even co-streaming to both with no extra hassle. Before we begin, you need a few things to get started. First, a powerful computer with a fast internet connection. Second, a webcam and microphone for recording your video and audio that connects to your computer. Third, a streaming software of your choice. I will be showing you both OBS and Streamlabs. And then if you are going to be streaming some console gameplay, your capture card, an Elgato, or whatever other capture card you may have. In this tutorial, we'll be using OBS Studio, a free open source software that's popular among streamers. Once you've downloaded and installed OBS, open the program and navigate to the settings menu. Next, we will add our streaming platform information to OBS Studio. I personally use Restream.io, and I'm going to show you how I do so. On Restream.io, you can connect two stream platforms for free, and you can both simultaneously stream to both platforms. I am not promoted. I am not sponsored in any way by these people, but Restream.io, if you hear this, sponsor me. Okay, but this is the greatest tool I've ever used. You go in, you connect your YouTube and Twitch, which is I'm doing now, and then they will give you a stream key. You insert the Restream.io stream key, and it will automatically upload and stream to Twitch and YouTube at the exact same time for you. One of the best third-party platforms I've ever used while streaming. I highly suggest doing this because you could do one-time work and get twice the amount of results for it for free. It's just about setting it up once. Are you going to be smart about doing it? It's up to you. All right, let's continue. Now we need to add a new scene, or if you want to, just use the current scene that you're on, and some sources so we can add in your mic, your webcam, your Elgato, whatever you want to stream. On the bottom left, you should see a scene. If you don't, create a scene and name it whatever you would like. Then go to sources, and when you hit sources and hit the plus, a lot of options will come up. You have audio input capture device, video input capture device. These are going to be for your webcam and your mic. The input capture device is what's going to capture the input that you want to input to the stream. So mic, webcam, and then for the video capture device for the webcam, you can also use the Elgato. You can connect it and the Elgato software should pop up. You're going to need to create 3 different sources for all of these so that all 3 sources, webcam, mic, and Elgato, will be presented to your guys' stream. Ensure to adjust the settings to match exactly how you want your stream to be presented. 1920 by 1080 is the usual pixels, so that should usually help you out. And now we are ready to start streaming. Simply hit the start streaming button and your video will be live on your selected platform. If you use Restream.io, it'll be both. Remember to engage with your audience and to have fun. This has been a very, very quick and just simple guide to get you going and just streaming and talking to your community. If you guys want any other help on how to add alert box in, overlays, webcam overlays, you could throw all the questions at me and I will make sure we could get those videos and problems solved. Until next time, paddle thumbs out.